Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Postal Market Analysis. Today is Wednesday. It's June 19th, 2024. Right now it's kind of late, 11:20 already. So this is for reviewing the market move on Tuesday. So if we go back and look at the future, like I say, Monday. So Monday night, so market kind of really try to kind of push and trying to test the high again, and then it come back down. It's basically kind of a chopping, and it's like on Monday night's update. There are lots of like a Fed speaker on Tuesday. So let me see. Okay, I think the audio was wrong one. So like a Monday night, if we look at the market, and as we know, the market make a new high at that at like a 54.88, and then come kind of smash, kind of like a smashing down. And if we looking at the future here, and later it come back, and then but only to kind of come back down, and the overnight is kind of like somewhat kind of I would say bearish, because it's below this line, and when you get to 9 o'clock, however, then it's basically it's very choppy. So when you get to 9:30ish, it's kind of like a market open around this kind of pretty much kind of open kind of like a flat, and then it kind of move up, almost kind of want to challenge the high again, but we only see it kind of come back down and make the new low, and we will think that market going to tumbling down, but it found the support right there, and that's actually kind of like the move down by 17 points from the high of the previous day, and that's it stopped right there, and then started kind of moving back up. And if we look at this 54.90, that's 17 points from the closing of previous day, and after that it come back, move back to the center again, and even come back to this what I call like a morning center. That's another key level, and by the close, it kind of basically come back to the high again, and close kind of near the high. So what this is, such a kind of closing is a really, if we look at it, is really close to the high. I mean the all-time high. So in many sense, this is kind of likely going to gap up on Thursday, and apparently the market feel pretty safe about over the Wednesday, this holiday, and the fact is that that's kind of makes sense that this Wednesday holiday is not gonna be anything influential to the market. So as we can see right now, the market kind of the futures was up like over 6 points. So for sure that's kind of above the high of Tuesday. So if we want look at the future, so on Tuesday night, like the future kind of move up and then only to see it to come back down, and it's sort of kind of make a new low on the downside, and then basically it's a holiday short-term version, and today at 6 o'clock future open again, and it kind of continue that kind of like a desire to go higher, but it's move up, make a higher high than the than than today, like during the day, and so at the high, at 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 the high is about like 8.5, 9 point ish. So basically it's going to be above like a 54.95. But it will be interesting to see that how market going to open on Thursday morning, like when the market open, whether it's going to open around 5500 level. So yeah, so and then I guess we need to see where it's going to go from there, whether it want to come back, take a break, or continue to break higher. From whole week perspective, it seems like it's possible that and it's quite possible for the market move to 55.50. So how it's going to go there, that's a different story. But we shall see. And at this point, it seems like it looks kind of like a upbeat, and don't see any reason you want to kind of move back down and move below like a 5400 level. But again, this is market and it move whatever it wants. So we just see and kind of follow it. Now back to the calendar on Thursday. First one is in the US. The first one is at 8:30 is a building permits, and then housing starts and things like that. Also have initial jobless claims, and then there are a bunch of Fed index, like a Fed manufacturer index, and business condition, capex index, employment, new orders, and price paid. After that is like at 11 o'clock we have like crude oil like inventory, and that one usually will come out at 10:30, but this is was scheduled to be 11 o'clock. 11:30 as usual have the treasury auctions, like 17-week, 4-week, and 8-week, and then 12 o'clock have the mortgage rate, both for 15 years and 30 years, and 1 o'clock have a 5-year tips auction, and then at the close at 4 o'clock there's another speech coming from Fed Barkin. So will market going to freak out, or market maybe realizes something different and charging up like to close? We just don't know. But we should know like when it get close to that, to the closing. I think that that's all I have to share, and at this point, market looks like it's going to gap up and then will continue higher. But meanwhile, we never know. It could kind of pull back. And the thing is, the market tomorrow will likely be able to move at least 20 points. It could be 40 points. If it only 20 points, then it could be on the upside, it could be 55, 14-ish, and on the downside, it could be 54, 50-ish. So, or 50 for 40. Hopefully not that crazy, but we shall see. On the upside is like yeah, it could go to 54.30, right? Yeah, wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.